Hi there, I'm extremely happy I'm meeting you again. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 Shopify themes anyone who's planning to succeed should be using. Before talking about the themes, I want to tell you something that I have experienced years ago when I first started with dropshipping. It was a New Year's Eve and you know all the fuss about the new resolution thing and about I want to change my life in the next year. Well, this is exactly what happened to me. At that point of my life, I was someone who had already tried succeeding several times online and failed. I tried blogging, vlogging, web marketing, web designing, even some affiliation, and nothing worked. So when I heard about dropshipping, I decided that this time I'm going to do it the right way. I enrolled in a dropshipping course and I decided to start my online dropshipping store. And you know, when you want to start your store, there are several decisions that you should be making. And one of them is, what theme should you choose for your store? Back then, investing money on my online business seemed very difficult. I had already paid for my dropshipping course, so I was like, no way I'm going to pay for a Shopify theme, no way. And here came a friend of mine who happened to be a very successful online seller, and he told me something that later became my golden rule.
If you don't take risks, you will never succeed. Be a professional or stay a side player. These are your options.
Paying money for a paid theme where there are several free ones online seems a little bit difficult. But to succeed in dropshipping in 2019, you should be able to differentiate yourself. You should be able to build a store that has real potential of converting your visitors into customers and into repetitive customers. Without building this kind of stores, it's very difficult to succeed.
Oh, fuck!
Without including conversion hacks and conversion tricks in your store, it's very difficult to make profit and to make money. Conversion hacks like upsell and cross-sell pop-ups, like exit intent pop-ups, like frequently bought together or recently viewed or related items, also social proof and urgency and scarcity hacks are very essential and are mandatory to any store. To have a store with all these conversion hacks, you have two options. Either you choose to go with a free theme and you add apps to these themes. Some of these apps are paid apps and some of them are monthly paid apps. Or you pick the smartest solution and you go with a paid theme with all these tricks already embedded. A paid theme is your smartest and your cheapest solution because for a paid theme, you only pay once in your life, but with apps, you might be paying monthly fees all of your store life. These are some of the apps that you will need in case you decided to go with an ordinary free theme. Buying 2 or even one of these apps for 1 year will cost you more than buying the themes I'm recommending in this video. And not only that, adding all these apps to your store might lower your store speed, and having a store that loads slow is one of the scariest nightmares any store owner can face. Buying the right theme to your store will save you lots of money and effort on the long run. The 3 themes I'm going to recommend in this video have almost all the conversion hacks already embedded. They run fast and they are 100% mobile friendly. So let's see together the top 3 Shopify themes. Theme number 1, the Shoptimize theme. This theme is with no doubt one of the most converting Shopify themes. It looks good on both PC and mobile and it's 100% mobile responsive. It's highly customizable. Almost everything in this theme can be changed to fit your needs. And it also comes with a 24/7 support, always ready to reply to your questions and help you. This theme will definitely save you a great amount of money on app subscription because it has almost all the conversion hacks that we have already talked about already embedded. Let's check the homepage and the product page of this theme. In the homepage in here, for example, you find the currency changer, the mega menus, the sales banners. If you go with a free theme and you want to add any of these features to your store, you will have to pay for apps to add them. If we go to the product page of this theme, you will find all the conversion hacks that we have talked about before already embedded, starting by the number of items sold in the last 24 hours. Also, we have here the rating, and to add social proof, we have these bullet points that are very useful because you can use them to point out the strong points about your product, and you can use them to attract your visitors' attention. Also here you have the number of items remaining and the number of people viewing this product right now to add urgency and scarcity to your product page. Here you have the tabs, and you can use them to fill out all the description and all the details about your product, like shipping, reviews, description, and everything. Below this, we have the related items section, and this is an awesome conversion hack because with it, you are pushing your visitors to buy another item from your store. This theme also comes with upsell, cross-sell, and exit intent pop-up. So imagine how much money you are saving by using this theme. Paying for one of these pop-ups for 1 year will cost you more than buying the Shoptimize theme. Below here we find the sticky add to cart button, and this is an awesome feature and a new one by Shoptimize because with it you can keep your call to action button in front of your visitors when they scroll down. I have only pointed out some of this theme features. There are also tons of awesome other features that come with Shoptimize. This theme will replace tons of apps, and you only pay for it once in your life, so you are saving a lot of money. This theme not only looks good, but also it has everything you need in your store, so I highly recommend it. Theme number 2, Ecom Turbo. Ecom Turbo is one of the best Shopify themes that you can ever work with. It was created by Franklin Hatchett, a very well-known dropshipper and a very successful entrepreneur. Ecom Turbo is highly customizable, and you can almost find all the conversion hacks in it already embedded. It's very friendly user, and it's built to be super fast on mobile. It's 100% mobile responsive, and you can easily work with it. Now let's go to this theme and let's check it a little bit. So this is a website done by Ecom Turbo theme. The homepage is 100% customizable, starting by the slider here, starting by the collection in here. Everything is customizable, everything can be changed. Now, if we go to the product page, we can find the conversion hacks that we have discussed before already embedded. Here we have the number of items remaining, we have the countdowners, we have the badges, the security badges. Also, this theme comes with upsell pop-ups with free coupon code pop-up. I'm going to show you these in here. This theme comes with a upsell pop-up like this one. It also comes with a coupon code pop-up. It's an email collector where you offer your visitors a coupon code in return of their emails. And if you are planning to succeed in dropshipping in 2019, you should be planning to use funnels. If you don't know what's funnels, it's a kind of marketing where you collect your visitors or your customers' emails, and then you send them sequence of emails where you market to other products, or you maybe send them offers, sales, news, everything you want in order to make them buy from you another time and another time. So this theme loads super fast on mobile, and it's very simple. Anyone can use it. Also with it, you will get a free membership on the Ecom Turbo Facebook group where you can ask all your questions, and you will get an e-commerce course for free. This theme will save you money on the long run, and it will make your store highly converting. Theme number 3, Turbo Shopify theme. This is one of the most famous Shopify themes. It looks perfect both on mobile and on PC. But what makes this theme stands out is how fast it runs. This theme comes with 5 different designs, and you can pick any one of them. All of them look perfect. This theme comes with different awesome features like the advanced mega menus in here, the predictive search, the advanced homepage layout and product page layouts. If we check also the collection page, we can find that in this theme there are the quick buy button. This enables your viewers to quickly add this item to their cart without going to the product page. In the product page, we also find different conversion hacks, like for example the recently viewed and the related items. Also in here we have the different tabs to show the product description. This theme looks very good, and not only that, it runs very fast and it will make your store look very professional.